Education is a vital tool to empowering the marginalized. So, to give them a fighting chance to achieve a better future, this social good arm of one of the country's largest conglomerates established a strong education program offering scholarships to deserving individuals and building classrooms that not only are fit for 21st century learning, but also promotes sustainable sources of energy. Good evening, I'm Pinky Webb, and this is Business Matters, where doing good is good business. The private sector has always been an active contributor to nation building. And for almost 4 decades, the social good arm of one of the Philippines' leading conglomerates has helped improve the quality of life of marginalized Filipinos. With their strong portfolio of social good programs that focus on education, health, sustainable agriculture, disaster relief, and social inclusion, among many others.
SM is very much committed to sustainable living, and we want to make green living very easy. On the part of the social good component, our programs on health, wellness, education is already taking care of that. The commitment of SM Foundation, we do really hope will actually continue as in the past, present, and in the future.
Attaining progress begins with education. Yet this fundamental human right remains inaccessible, especially for the vulnerable. So to help our nation's youth achieve their dream and become leaders in their own community, the SM Foundation established a scholarship program.
The education program is actually the results of Mr. C's, the founder of SM Foundation, the result of his vision. About 30 years ago, if we grant scholarships to a member of a poor family, then that member go to college, find the right career for him or her, and then eventually will help the family also.
Under the program, economically challenged but deserving Filipino youth are given a fighting chance to achieve their dreams through quality education.
The benefits of the college scholarship includes full tuition and miscellaneous fees. The scholars also receive a monthly allowance, and we also provide working opportunities for them during their summer and Christmas breaks. And finally, we also provide job opportunities once they graduate.
Since its foundation, the program has produced more than 8,000 scholar graduates.
We promise to continue to live by the principles of Tatang Henry C.
I think the lasting impact that the scholarship program offers to them is really a change in their lives. They have an identity as SM scholars, given the principles of the late Mr. Henry C.
More than offering scholarships, the education program is also an active partner of the Department of Education's Adopt a School program, promoting quality public education by building classrooms nationwide. After all, a conducive learning environment is key to nurturing young minds. And just this year, the social good arm has incorporated the use of sustainable technologies such as solar, empowering schools in the country, partnering with a global leader in solar innovation.
The Sinag School is a collaboration between SM Foundation, School Building Program, and Maxion Solar Technology. Lighting is very important for all of us, especially for the children who are learning. Aside from using clean and renewable energy, this also provides access to more learnings and even hands-on learning on the new technology.
This project is uniquely positioned socially. We're talking about the education of children. Economically, It's basically the savings that putting a solar power panels in the school will bring about. And thirdly, is of course the environmental good that renewable energy will bring to this project.
Lemery Pilot Elementary School in Batangas is the first school under their education program to be equipped with solar power technology. This partner school also was given a new look and building, complete with the necessary facilities and tools for 21st century learning.
Every student, teacher will need the right environment that's conducive to learning. Installing solar panels in the school building will provide that kind of learning environment. This is a new technology, a first time actually in our school building program.
Anyone can build a school, but being able to really look at the specific needs of students is, I would say, I have to give it to the team for doing that. Like things that we take for granted, left-handed armchairs for left-handed persons, blackboards, hand-washing facilities, gardens.
At Maxion, all of us are environmentalists at heart, and we are all dedicated to improving our world. We always have this hope that with education and exposure to our solar systems out in the schools where they get to see it and see how it works, that we can help create many, many young environmentalists.
Daghang salamat, SM Foundation!
All of us have important roles to play in building a healthier and stronger nation. That's why the social good arm of one of the country's largest conglomerates values partnerships and collaborations more than anything else, as these efforts ensure that anything is achievable and everything is possible. Despite being blessed with vast areas of farmlands, agriculture remains a struggling sector in the country, hounded by problems such as aging farmers, outdated technologies, and practices that contribute further to its stagnation. So, to ensure food security and empowered farmers for generations to come, the state of agriculture needs to be transformed, and the social good arm of one of the leading Philippine companies created a program to do just that.
Ang Kabalikat sa Kabuhayan on Sustainable Agriculture po ay isa sa mga social good programs ng SM Foundation. Ito po ay nagsimula nung panahon ni the late Mr. Henry C. Sr. noong 2007. Paano ba niya talaga matutulungan ng mga farmers? Kailangan ho kaming makagawa ng isang programa kung saan tataas namin yung technology nila para makakompete tayo sa international market.
Through their Kabalikat sa Kabuhayan program, farmers, especially from grassroots communities, were given training on the practices of sustainable farming, creating a farming ecosystem that not only enables and empowers farmers, but also improves the quality of their trade.
It's a 14-week, season-long, hands-on and technical training program. Mula land preparation, paglalagay ng mulch, seedling preparations, ano ba yung mga magiging problema natin sa pest controls, paano paggawa ng concoctions ng mga fertilizers, ano yung tamang pag-a-apply to create certain quality, fresh, at saka maayos na mga gulay para makakain din ng pamilya.
With more than 28,000 farmers to date all over the country, the KSK program has gone a long way in maximizing the agri-industry's potential in grassroots communities.
Isa po sa mga tulong namin ngayon na ginagawa natin ay ang pagbubukas po ng mga tinatawag naming Farmers Market Day sa mga mall tuwing Biyernes po. Ang mga farmers ay binibigyan natin ng mga pagkakataon para magkaroon sila ng experience on how it is to sell in the mall.
Overall health and wellness is another crucial factor in nation building, and community-based health centers play an active role in ensuring that the well-being of families in grassroots communities are taken care of. But these centers are often neglected, with a lot already worse for the wear due to long years of service and some due to lack of continued financial support. Knowing the important role of these centers in helping the underserved, the social good arm, through its health and wellness programs, partnered with a global fashion brand, uplifting its conditions and upgrading its facilities that meet progressive standards.
This health center that we renovated in partnership with Uniqlo has been equipped with the necessary tools vital to disaster response and emergencies.
To this date, the program has renovated and refurbished more than 170 health centers all over the country, serving more than 4 million patients, making them more resilient, modern, and empowered to better serve their constituents, complete with patients' waiting lounge, reception area, meeting room with pantry area, consultation room, medicine storage cabinets, prenatal and treatment room, breastfeeding room, an under 5 clinic, mobile playroom for children, as well as needed furniture and appliances. All strategically provided by the partnership of the Foundation and the global clothing brand.
We need health centers in the countryside that are equipped to treat people with minor injuries, which is extremely useful to reduce congestion and referral to hospitals or to more sophisticated medical facilities.
The refurbishing of the partner health centers does not only bring modernity to its facilities, but also a renewed sense of confidence and pride in providing quality health care for their constituents, especially during disasters.
Uniqlo and SM Foundation will always be available to provide a strong medical infrastructure and to share best practices to get the best medical service and the quality of life you truly deserve.
Building a stronger and healthier nation is not the government's task alone. Every individual, every industry, and every sector play an important role in attaining such goal. And through collaboration, anything is achievable and everything is possible. The selfless act of those who work for nonprofit organizations is nothing short of inspiring. It teaches us that we will always be ready to extend help even if we need assistance ourselves. Now more than ever, we must focus all our energy on making sure that the marginalized communities have a better tomorrow to look forward to as we move to end social inequities and the challenges associated with it once and for all.